everyone, for today's look I'm going to teach you how to create this beautiful classic smoky eye. It's a look that goes with every type of eye and it looks just gorgeous. So let's just start. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows and I'm going to use the Artistry Studio mascara in color brown. My eyebrows are Rebel and I discovered by using this they stay put together in order and they look fuller too. After that I'm gonna use the pencil, the eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna fill out, the little areas that they need a little bit more density and more color. I'm gonna just go with the shape of my eyebrow and just follow the direction of the hair in my eyebrows. Nothing too complicated. Now I'm going to use this angle brush and we're going to use this palette from Artistry and we're going to use all those 4 colors. I'm going to start applying this beautiful color on my crease in circular motion and going back and forth, and I'm going to pass a little bit the crease too. I'm going to go towards my eyebrow a little higher and I'm just gonna blend that color really good. I'm gonna pass a little bit my eyebrow, just a tiny bit. Don't go crazy with it, but just make sure you're blending that color really good. Following, we're gonna use this small brush and we're gonna use that black color, and you're just gonna go really smooth, just tapping that color. Make sure just go really slow with a small brush and circle motions too, because the black, it tends to it's really hard to take off if you make a mistake. So just go really slow, take your time, don't rush it. This is an eye color that you don't rush. You need to do it really detailing. It's a smoky eyes. Just be patient. Then we're gonna grab the first brush we use, and we're not gonna add any color. We're just gonna blend those 2 colors, okay, with that brush. Follow up. I'm gonna need a little bit more black because it's a smoky eye, right? So you need to put a lot of pigmentation there. So I'm gonna grab again, and like I said, just tap. Now we're gonna get this brush and we're gonna use the middle color. It's like a silver color with a little bit of like a greenish, but not too much. And I'm just gonna put it on my inner center of my eye, and I'm gonna blend really good with that black color and the reddish color on the top. We're gonna grab this small brush and we're gonna apply the black eyeshadow color on the bottom lashes, making like some type of eyeliner. And I'm just gonna apply it all the way. It's not too close to my inner center of my eye. Then we're gonna get the first color that we apply and we're gonna put it on the bottom of that black color, so we can get more dimension on that eye. Go a little bit out too. We're gonna apply this white color. It's like a pearl color with a little bit of shimmery, and we're just gonna blend it with the first color we apply and really close to our eyelashes so we can give some light to that area. And just blend really good. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, making sure they're looking nice. We're gonna apply mascara. This step, it's pretty, I have done it on my other videos if you have seen it. So I like to use the tip of my brush to put that mascara color. And a smoky eye cannot go without a pair of eyelashes. You need a full beautiful eyelashes there. So we're gonna apply this eyelashes, and I always like to look to the bottom, like looking with my mirror on the bottom. I feel like it's easier to apply the eyelashes, and I just first I stick the middle part, the inner section, and then at the end, and I just put it there, and voila. You may want to press a little bit, but that's it. I'm going to use this mascara from Artistry Studio, and I'm just going to blend my eyelashes with the fake eyelashes so they look more natural and more fuller. Now we're gonna get this angle brush and I'm gonna grab my Glam Lab palette and I'm gonna contour using that brown color, and I'm gonna go in circular motions and back and forth on those areas that you really want to contour, you want to make it slim. And yeah, you know, the basic, I do it underneath my cheeks, a little bit under my neck, because I'm a little chubby in those areas. So I don't want that light to come and show those parts. My forehead, just a little bit, you know, to give that dimension on your face. And now to bronze your nose, just apply it all over your nose. And I got this hack from Nikki Tutorials. It's easy to contour the nose like this. Then you apply a concealer. I'm using the one from Artistry too. And I apply it just in the middle of my nose, wherever you want to highlight. And then I'm just going to blend it with my finger and make sure it looks good. Now I'm going to put some powder on top. And now I'm using the highlighter from Artistry, and I'm gonna use the gold color, and I'm gonna apply it on the high part of my cheeks. I'm not gonna use any blush this time because I want to really get that attention in my eyes more than anything else. So I'm gonna apply some of this on my cheeks and on the tip of my nose, and also I'm gonna put it on the cupid part of my lips. To really hold the light on that area and make those lips pop after I apply the color. I'm gonna use this color from Victoria's Secret, and I'm just gonna be super careful when I apply it because this one, it's a color that's gonna stay on, so I don't want to make any mistakes. So I'm gonna go really gentle, and I'm gonna apply it twice on my lips to really get that nice bold color. You can either choose this color or you can choose a neutral color. With smoky eyes, you can go either way. But I want it to be bold this time, so. Hey, now I'm completely ready. I did my hair, my makeup is done. I'm ready to rock this style. I hope you guys like it. I hope you practice this, and that's it. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to check my Instagram and my Facebook. Love you guys. Bye-bye.